Hey, and welcome to My Online Startup Review. I'm excited to share what this coaching program is and why it's such a strong fit for anyone who wants guided help building multiple online income streams in 2026. My Online Startup is presented as a step-by-step coaching program that invites you to create an account so you can access the coaching, curated resources, and recommendations that are laid out on the site. It's aimed squarely at beginners and aspiring online entrepreneurs who prefer guided training and clear, actionable direction instead of trying to figure everything out on their own. I like how straightforward the concept is. The focus is on helping you create and grow multiple income streams, and the program organizes the guidance into a structure that's easy to follow. The site offers coaching content combined with resources and specific recommendations, and it's transparent that affiliate links are used throughout, which means I can point you to the same recommended tools and services you'll see there. The layout around account creation and membership access keeps the experience simple, and I appreciate that there's a clear path from signing up to working through the coaching steps. What makes My Online Startup stand out to me is that it's framed for people who are just getting started or who want to expand into more than one way of earning online. The emphasis on multiple income streams reflects today's landscape, where diversifying how you monetize online makes sense, and the program reflects that through its coaching focus. You'll find step-by-step coaching, a collection of resources that support the lessons, and recommendations that point you toward tools and services people commonly use to take action. The site also makes available standard policies and support items like terms, privacy, and a knowledge base, which adds to the overall clarity and professionalism of the platform. I like that the approach feels practical and accessible. The tone is friendly for newcomers, and the structure helps guide you forward with specific steps instead of vague advice. I'll show you inside in a moment, and I'm looking forward to walking through how the account and lessons are organized, how the resources and recommendations tie into the coaching, and how the whole system is positioned to help someone build and grow online income streams this year. If you're interested in getting clear guidance, organized materials, and a path you can follow as you learn, My Online Startup is designed for that kind of approach, and I'm happy to recommend checking it out. My verdict is a clear recommendation. I think My Online Startup is an excellent guided program for beginners and aspiring online entrepreneurs who want organized coaching, resources, and recommendations to help them build multiple online income streams. If you're ready to get started, you can grab the exclusive bonuses either in the description below this video or on the bonus page. And be sure to click the link to get My Online Startup along with those exclusive bonuses. I'm confident you'll find the coaching and resources right where you need them, so go ahead and click the link to get started and claim those bonuses.